What's going on, guys? So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at Blocktopia, or ticker Block, B-L-O-K. This thing is available over on KuCoin, and it is also one of the biggest Metaverse projects. So guys, in this video, we're going to be taking a look at this article over at CoinMarketCap, this tech deep dive into what is Blocktopia, and we will be doing some analysis on the charts coming up. So stick around for the whole video so that you don't miss that. Go ahead and check out AverageJoeCrypto.io if you would like to check out our community-driven project here at the channel. Really would appreciate it, guys. Invest at your own risk. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. This is merely opinion only. No suggestion here to buy or invest or trade in any kind of asset or cryptocurrency. Definitely check it out, though. It's available on Uniswap, guys. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel and join the growing cryptocurrency community here on YouTube. Also, check the links in the description so you can join the Discord and get some conversations going about crypto in the Discord. Don't forget to smash the like button. It's one of the best ways you can help support the channel. I get tired of saying it. I get tired of asking you guys. Should I just stop asking you guys? Would you guys be more inclined to hit the like button if I just didn't ask you? I don't know. Drop some comments in the comment section. Tell me what you think. But we will go ahead and jump right on into this video. So what is Blocktopia, or Block? Okay, so Block Crypto is one of the biggest Metaverse projects out there right now. If we go over to CoinMarketCap currently, we can see that currently on the gainers for the day, overall cryptocurrency gainers out of the top 100, Mana and the Sandbox are currently taking the lead. But if we can go over here to the Metaverse category and we check out our gainers, guys, you can see that TSA NFT, or ticker TSA, is actually top gainer here overall in the Metaverse projects. This thing doesn't even have market cap info yet, but Mana coming in second there, and you have Inari up there, and also the Sandbox coming in at number 5 by gainers here over by the Metaverse category. Block is actually currently down a little bit. You can see that by the charts. We are actually seeing a little bit of a retracement here for Block. So after we do this tech deep dive into Blocktopia and what it is and explaining what this project actually is, we're going to do some analysis on this chart and pinpoint whether or not this is in a good opportunity to buy, as it has seen a massive pullback here after this run up. So stick around. So like I said, first, let's jump into the article over at CoinMarketCap's news section, Alexandria. What is Blocktopia? One of the biggest Metaverse projects. So as the crypto industry is full of projects that claim to be scalable, secure, and interoperable, Blocktopia Metaverse comes with an unprecedented VR experience for the crypto community. Blockchain platform Elrond recently sealed a significant partnership with Blocktopia and became one of the latest crypto business ventures to venture into the Metaverse. By rebranding as Meta, even Facebook recently embraced the Metaverse, claiming that the new technology will help people communicate better and grow businesses. Until a couple of years ago, it was enough for a business to claim it was blockchain-based to be considered innovative and future-oriented. Today, the industry is full of platforms that declare to be scalable, fast, secure, and developer-friendly. Therefore, businesses must find other ways to win the competition. Interdisciplinary partnerships can make a difference and bring something innovative on board. For example, when blockchain projects met IoT in the recent past, they were always welcomed with interest by investors, entrepreneurs, and users alike. So the latest hype in the cryptocurrency space, as we all know, is the Metaverse, accelerated by the COVID-19 crisis that has required a new communication model. Metaverse is the new virtual world where people can share mesmerizing experiences with other human beings, even when they can't be together. The Metaverse will allow people to do things together they wouldn't be able to do in the physical world, and scary as it sounds, it's the inevitable future reality. I've talked about this in my previous Metaverse videos, guys. This is the reality, guys. This will be our future. International research company Strategy Analytics has predicted that the global Metaverse market might reach an extraordinary $280 billion valuation by 2025, guys. Get in on these Metaverse projects, okay? This is the future. This is our next opportunity, okay? Blockchain and cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano. These were the opportunities, a few years back, right? There's still money to be made in these markets, right? There's still a ton of money to be made in these markets, especially in the next bull run. But right now, the Metaverse projects, guys, that is where the next opportunity is going to be. So let's explore what partnering with Blocktopia means and what is this futuristic project. So the Elrond partnership with Blocktopia. Becoming an anchor tenant in Blocktopia, Elrond's virtual headquarters will be placed on level 1, which is considered a privileged location since it's where all players spawn by default. Elrond will have maximum exposure for a customized lounge and content such as crypto ecosystem features or educational material made available in the virtual location. But keep in mind when we talk about this, these placed on level 1 and a privileged location, these are virtual locations, right, in the metaverse. So we are further exploring deeper technical integrations with Blocktopia, such as bridging a portion of the block supply as an ESDT token to give Elrond users easier access into the VR metaverse and enabling Blocktopia NFTs to be purchasable in NFT marketplaces on the Elrond blockchain. Just very cool. Overall, very cool. So far, drop comments in the comment section, guys. What do you guys think about Blocktopia? Are you already invested? Have you already looked into it? Have you already done your own research? Is this nothing new to you? Let me know in the comment section and share your info, because other people watching might find your information and your experiences useful. So this is a community thing, guys. We're all in this together. This fourth industrial revolution, we are all in this together. We're all a part of this if you're invested in cryptocurrency and blockchain. So what is Blocktopia? Blocktopia is a VR skyscraper made of 21 million floors in honor of 21 million Bitcoin. It's the VR metaverse that aims to become the equitainment hub for all levels of crypto experience. The high-tech tower rises from a decaying world and is based on an NFT-based economy that allows entrepreneurs to own land and develop it as a virtual real estate, with advertisements and events that create earning opportunities for users. So cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, VR, AR, all merge to create a decentralized hub for future entrepreneurs, investors, players, and developers. Just so supported by the Polygon network, bullish on Polygon, Matic, guys, and built on cross-platform game engine Unity by the founders of Sony PlayStation VR. Okay. Blocktopia allows visitors to engage in basic or advanced learning, earn revenue, play games with friends, build networks, and much more. Okay, look, guys, built on a cross-platform game engine Unity by the founders of the Sony PlayStation VR, guys. Blocktopia, very bullish on Blocktopia right off the bat. Blocktopia is like a shopping mall where stores exist alongside other types of activities and businesses, where projects, exchanges, influencers, or crypto brands showcase their content and key messages. Blocktopians are the Block token holders and members of the Blocktopia metaverse. For the first time, users will have access to crypto information and captivating content all in one place. Blocktopians will be able to learn, play, and earn revenue through real estate ownership, advertising revenue, and much more. Powered by the 3D creation engine, the world's most advanced real-time video game engine, Blocktopia will leverage the technology to create stunning visuals and user experiences. The Blocktopia metaverse will be made of real estate blocks that can be purchased and governed by the Block token holders. I'm getting bullish just reading this, guys. So, I mean, come on, drop those comments. Let me know what you guys think about Blocktopia. Learn, earn, play, and create, the 4 pillars of the Blocktopia metaverse. So learn. Blocktopia will be the central hub where users can learn about the world of crypto, which can be challenging to explore. Very good thing to incorporate into this platform. Learning about crypto, teaching the world about crypto. So many people are still in the dark. Earn. Blocktopians will have plenty of earning opportunities by purchasing real estate, digital real estate, virtual real estate, and even speculating on it, and either resell for profit or lease to a tenant. This is crazy, guys. Other opportunities will include passive earning, staking, and advertising. Advertising in the metaverse. Oh, I can imagine. I can only imagine and picture how much revenue will be generated from advertising in the metaverse. Would be nice to keep that out of the metaverse, but you know it's not going to happen, guys. Play. Users can relax, have fun, socialize, and compete with friends through virtual reality world first-person interaction. Beautiful. Create. Through a simple builder tool, users will be able to use their creativity by producing scenes, artwork, and even participating in events to win prizes. The tokenized decentralized VR crypto skyscraper. So you have Block, which is the native token of Blocktopia. You have Reblock, buy, sell, and lease virtual real estate. This is really cool. So with Blocktopia's, within Blocktopia, the purchase of real estate is known as Reblock. Blocktopians will be able to purchase real estate following the Block token distribution event. The real estate will be a valuable commodity within Blocktopia, allowing Blocktopians to speculate on the property and either resell for profit or lease for passive income opportunities. So you can lease this virtual property, this virtual real estate. You can lease it, guys, and rent it to people. This is crazy. Ad block. Receive income via advertising. It's funny because it's called ad block, but you know, Within Blocktopia, one of the key earning opportunities to investors is via advertising. Blocktopia will work with key brand partners and give them a unique opportunity to advertise within Blocktopia. Like I said, it's inevitable. This is going to be a major building block and revenue generating opportunity is in the metaverse will be advertising. A proportion of these advertising fees generated will be returned to Blocktopia token holders. Ah, okay. Now that makes it okay, right? That makes it a little better, a little incentive to allow this to, allow these ads. And by I guess by seeing the ads, you're going to get a proportion of these advertising fees by holding the Blocktopia cryptocurrencies. So overall, pretty cool there. Block tokens allow its holders to purchase NFTs, which represent ownership for Reblock and AdBlock. Purchasing real estate, we read that right there. So who will visit Blocktopia? According to a recent study, 90% of Blocktopia's visitors will be males between 18 and 34. They have a vivid interest in cryptocurrencies and NFTs and earn between $20,000 and $50,000, I guess I'm assuming a year. They heard about crypto in the news and focus on the USA, Asian, and UK markets. Okay, so they've already got some statistics here. Funny that it says between 18 and 34 and mostly males. Any females out there? Drop some comments in the comment section. How do you feel about this? Are you going to be visiting Blocktopia? Okay, guys, so now that we have finished our tech deep dive brought to you by CoinMarketCap, guys, that was a very informative article. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope I didn't read too fast. I don't know. But if you want to go check that out, you can check that out, guys. All you have to do is head over to CoinMarketCap and click on the news area. You can go over to coinmarketcap.com/Alexandria and look for this article that is titled What is Blocktopia? Tech deep dives. Just look into their tech deep dives over on CoinMarketCap and check it out for yourselves. But let's go ahead and jump on into the price action for Blocktopia, or ticker Block, BLOK. See if we can't formulate some analysis here and see what's going on, because this thing has seen a massive pullback. So could this actually be a good area to be buying this project? I mean, after reading about this, guys, it's developed by people that are worked with Sony PlayStation VR. I mean, partnered with some major partners. It's overall just seems to be a very sound project, guys, to be looking at out of these metaverse projects. Blocktopia, Sandbox, Mana, Engine, and also Seek VR. That's another one that I looked at previously in a live stream. You might want to check that out, guys. I might do an update on it as well later on, but it's a very new project. Just keep in mind that, this is very new, but I do believe, in my opinion, that these metaverse projects will be the next big opportunity in cryptocurrency. So let's go ahead and check out Blocktopia here on the 4-hour chart. I'm going to go ahead and point out this downtrend. Let's just see what's going on with this. It does look like to me that this is playing out nicely here. I mean, we could bring this up here to these wicks. Let's just see how this lines up, and we'll do some rough analysis here. Like I said, I haven't really looked at this yet. This will be my first time looking at this chart with you guys. So let's go ahead and see how that looks. That makes sense. On the 4-hour, you got 1, 2, 3 touches, but honestly, I think we'll be better off to go with the candle closes to be more accurate. Let's come down here to our candle closes, and let's go ahead and bring this up here to our resistance. So we do have some resistance there to look at, and then it looks like to me that we could honestly probably start down here and come on down to form a possible falling wedge pattern on these candle closes on the 4-hour. Then you got some touches here, so that's pretty decent as far as this pattern goes. We are heading down pretty nicely here, but it looks like we've already pulled back to support. So let me just point this support out here. We'll go and put in a line in there. That's going to be right here. That's going to be at about 6 cents, close to 7 cents, really. Kind of close to 7 cents. So we actually fell below that just a little bit here, but that's okay because we do have the next step down would be right down here. So we're right here in between this area. This general area, guys, should hold as support based on your previous resistance here. Also previous resistance where you broke right here. You broke above this and went parabolic to the upside. So for Block, guys, this support down here should hold, in my opinion. We should see this hold. We should get a nice bounce here. If we fall below it a little bit, we could come down to the support here from our pattern, and that's not much lower than where we're at now, so we're not even going to really point that out. If we do fall down to this, that would make sense. Look, you have your 50 EMA coming up here on the 4-hour, starting to form right here. That's going to line you up also with your support right here from your pattern. So That would make sense, guys, if we were to fall back down just a little bit right there to that support. But overall, this thing looks good. I think this thing's in a nice period of consolidation and should likely see a nice rebound back to the upside soon. Just to speculate a measured move here, just to get an idea of a possible target, as well as looking at some resistance levels here in just a second. We will take a look at that. But just to speculate the measured move of this, if we were to break up out of this pattern, that's going to get you up here around 13, 14 cents. That actually makes sense based on previous price action. Let's go ahead and throw in these areas of resistance to pay attention to, guys. First one being that I'm noticing would be your candle closes here on the 4-hour chart. You always want to look at your candle closes here. And, you know, you do have up here around 9 to 10 cents right there, some resistance. And then it would look like to me that you would come up here to this resistance, since that is also where you fell to the downside. That's at 11 cents, guys. You fell to the downside pretty hard right there on catching that resistance. Next area up here at these candle closes here, that's going to be at about 13 cents or so, right there at about 13, yeah, right there at about 13 cents, guys. So all these areas could play as possible resistance. Just to point these out, I always go by candle closes here typically. Let's go ahead and put some resistance up here at those candle closes, and then of course you have your absolute top up here at your wick. So these areas are just areas that I would pay attention to on a short-term time frame, right? If you're looking at the 4-hour or above, you're not really going to worry about these resistance levels too much. You might come up here, get a pullback, but then most likely this thing will continue up once it does start to rebound and break out to the upside. So target's going to be up here around 13, 14 cents though. If we do get a nice breakout, you might see resistance along the way, 9 cents, 11 cents, right here at our target, which is right below it, right here about 13, 14 cents resistance. So you might come up, see a pullback there. It would make sense, in my opinion, if you came up here, seen a small pullback, and then bounced on up to test some of these other levels. That would make sense to me to see it play out something similar to that. And as long as it held an uptrend, once it breaks out, I would expect to come up and test previous highs. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this deep dive and analysis on Blocktopia. Definitely check out averagejoecrypto.io if you would like to check out our community-driven project. Like I said, also NFT available. Sale ends December 31st, guys, over on OpenSea. You can check it out by going to averagejoecrypto.io and click on Average Joe NFT here up in the top. Also, hit the subscribe button, guys. Join the community here, man. We're growing fast. We're almost to 7,000 subscribers. Click that subscribe button and smash that like button for us. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.